Hello and welcome back to this course. In our previous video, we were able to create all of these dictionaries using different methods. So in this video, we are going to look at how to access a dictionary object. So remember that when we were working with lists, with strings, with tuples, we were able to access the individual items by using indexing or slicing, right? So this time around, we are working with dictionaries, but there is no concept like indexing or slicing in dictionary. So if you want to access the individual value or the keys of a dictionary, how do you access them? So stay tuned as we begin to dig into this topic. Now, we already have about 4 sets of dictionary here, and they are basically the same thing. So I'm going to clear all of this, and I'm just going to leave the first dictionary. So like we stated in the first video, we know that when you open a dictionary, the first item that comes in before the colon is the key and the second is the value, and each key value pair is separated by comma. Now, if I want to access this word here, perpetua, what you need to know is your key. So there are two ways we can access the values of the dictionary content. So the first way we can do that is by accessing them as though we were using slicing. So it is a dictionary method, but it looks like we are doing slicing in list or tuple. So what we can do is to like print my dict, and I'll open and close this bracket. So now it has suggested all the keys for us. So once you open this bracket and you enter a key, right? Let's say I go for gender. So okay, so we have an error, and that's because we closed this print statement in a square bracket. So, and now Python is complaining. So now we are going to remove that, and we are going to save this again and clear this and run. Now we have female. So remember that this print statement is for this. So I'm going to comment this out, save again, and run. So now we see that we have this female. We are looking for the gender, so we have passed in the key gender and the value came out for us as female. So if we go for age, so the value comes out as, well, 25. So now another way we can do this is to say my dict dot get, and I'll open my parenthesis and put in my string quote, and I'm going to pass in name. So I'm going to clear again and I'm going to run. So now it says perpetual. So the two of them, the two methods, they give you the same result. But for instance, let me enter a key that does not exist. So I'm going to enter a key that does not exist, height, and I'm going to save this and run. So it says none. There is no height. There is no key height here. So, but if I am to use the former method that we used, by opening the square bracket and I pass in height, so I know that heights do not exist, and clear this and run. Now it says, it gives us a key error. So it is safer, if you do not want your program to crash, to use the get method, but you can use any one of them if you want. So that is how to access the individual members of a list, a dictionary object. So thank you so much for watching this video. So see you in the next video.